Hello, travelers and gardeners. Ever thought about combining fish and plants in one efficient growing system? In today's video, I'm diving into aquaponics, a compact, sustainable gardening solution perfect for van life. Let's jump right in and set up your own DIY aquaponics system on wheels. Aquaponics is a sustainable growing system where fish and plants work together. Fish waste provides nutrients for the plants, and the plants filter the water for the fish. It's an efficient, eco-friendly method for growing food in small spaces. Here's what you'll need to create a compact aquaponics system for your van. A fish tank, a small durable container to house your fish. A water pump and tubing, to circulate water between the tank and the plants. A grow bed, a shallow container for plants filled with a lightweight growing medium like clay pebbles. Fish and plants, small, hardy fish like guppies or goldfish, and easy-to-grow plants like lettuce, basil, or spinach. A filtration system, optional, for additional water cleaning if your setup is larger. Let's build your aquaponic system step by step. Place the fish tank securely in your van to minimize movement during travel. Install the water pump and tubing to connect the fish tank to the grow bed. This will circulate nutrient-rich water to the plants. Fill the grow bed with clay pebbles or another lightweight medium, ensuring water can flow freely through the roots. Add fish to the tank and plants to the grow bed. The fish waste will act as a natural fertilizer, kickstarting the system. To keep your aquaponic system running smoothly, monitor water quality regularly, keeping pH levels between 6.8 and 7.2. Feed your fish a balanced diet, as their waste fuels the entire system. Choose plants that grow well in water-based systems, like leafy greens and herbs. Ensure your system is stable and secure to handle the movement of van life. And there you have it, a sustainable, compact aquaponic system perfect for van living. It's an innovative way to grow fresh food while caring for fish in a closed-loop ecosystem. If this inspired you to try aquaponics on the go, hit that subscribe button for more DIY gardening projects. Share your aquaponic ideas or questions in the comments below, and let's keep growing together, wherever the road takes us.